Welcome back to my channel. Today I am at a different location at a larger table, so I can do a triptych, but it's not my normal table. Right, I would not be able to fit 3 pieces at the same time. So let's see if I can do something pretty. I'm using pinks and metal colors. So I'm going to put some base coat in here and I will be right back. So this is Amsterdam light rose, and I put it like that. Now I'm going to put in the remainder of the areas a darker color, which is going to be Amsterdam Venetian Rose. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to take the blower and I'm going to blow this out. DecoArt aged bronze. I'm going to put a fair amount of color. Liquitex Basics Iridescent Graphite, and that was not good. Or Liquitex, Pebeo Precious Gold. Pebeo Precious Gold. Let's put this beautiful gold color. DecoArt Extreme Sheen Pearl. And DecoArt Rose Gold. I'm going to put more of these because I really like that color. I think I'm going to put some white. This is white, this lot white, small amount. So now I am going to put back some of this color in here to help it move that way. Because you know it was very thick. It is very thick, so that way your design doesn't change too much, because that's the problem that I have on the last work that I did. It was beautiful, but since it was super liquid, it kept on changing, and that was not good. So this is the pink. We're going to also put the pink in there. think it is pretty now. I'm gonna torch one more time, and I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I like what I have. Something I noticed that the pink goes in here, and I want some pink in here. So I'm gonna do this and put some pink in there to match that area. Then, because I don't want that to start losing it underneath. Okay, so I want to clean these. I want to take some, I'm taking some of the color from underneath, and I'm mashing this in here. Let's see. It's your piece, you can do whatever you want, you know? I'm not too happy with it. I don't know the shape of this, so I'm just going to use this blower. So here is the dry piece. So the same day I did these pieces, somebody wanted it, so it has an owner. So this is it. I like this in here, a section in there, and this section in there. So this is the way it goes. But my favorite part is this one. It's my favorite, especially with the lacing that formed on this one. I think you're able to see it. I'm gonna turn the lights so that you can see it differently. So that's with the lights off. I like that the pink blended in here somehow. Probably from here, the pink in there. And you probably can see that with the lights on. So let me bring the lights on so you can see that pink in there. So the lights are on, and see how that is inky in there.